All right, I'm about ready to throw some insulation, fiberglass, on this cap. And I thought what I'd do is I'd walk through the step. It might take a little longer, but we'll see what happens. And in an effort to not just hold the camera with my hand and try to do it one-handed, I devised the Wonder Holder with a little yellow electric tape. All right, it's ghetto, but what the heck. Let's see if it works. And we'll put it in here. And I'll try to explain a little what I'm doing. So first you have to get a rag and get a little cleaner. Put the cleaner through the project and wipe all the dust and the grease if there is any. And I sanded this already. It hasn't been sitting, so there's really no grease. It's just trying to get the dust off, and you want to have good adhesion. So we wipe that down, and you only have to really wipe where you're going to put the project together. And if you have a product that you're cleaning this with, and it is reactive to this foam, it'll melt the foam. And that's why I wanted to make this kitty hair shell first. Could kind of be a rib for it. So we got it on there. And then, now what we're going to do is we're going to mix up the resin. We're going to use this cup here. And we will open it up. I should have planned ahead of time and got that ready, but just 1 second. We will pause.